Hey guys, what's up and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I am Matthew the Greatest. I am the hybrid, the double-edged sword. I am a designer and at the same time, I am a developer. Let's continue with the series. Let's keep it flowing and keep it going like water. Now, this is where we are. You have seen that we are able to detect if somebody is logged in or not logged in using a Jotai state provider. Now let's get into the awesomeness of NextJS. Okay, what problem are we solving? Okay, check here. When we are here on home, okay, based on how this system detects, okay, if are you logged in or you're logged in, okay, this system detected that you are not logged in. Okay, so that means it pushes you to log in. Okay, as soon as it detects that you are logged in, it will push you to dashboard. Okay, cool. But now the problem, let's quickly test that. Okay, let's say something here. That means I am logged in. And then let's go back to the system somewhere here. Now it pushes up to the dashboard. Okay, we've got some issues here. Okay, we've got the layout, which works. This layout, it works for login and sign up. Okay, it works very well for login and sign up because it's the same thing. Okay, these won't change. But dashboard has got its own layout. Okay, dashboard is supposed to be like this. Let me just give you an idea. Okay, this is my own SaaS application that failed. Okay, dashboard is supposed to have its own layout. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, it's not supposed to have this. So what is the problem then? This means that we need to get into Next.js or some way of doing things. Okay, let's use Next.js's opinion, which is awesome. Okay, this means that first we've got a layout which is in the global. This layout is in the app. Where is it? It's this one. Okay, it's in the app. As you can see, where is it? Here is it. Okay, this layout, it's in the app. This one. Okay, which is, it governs all of these guys. Okay, everything here, every possible route is governed by that layout. That is a problem. Okay, because that layout is supposed to govern login and sign up. Okay, or register. Cool. Now let me introduce route groups. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a route group which is going to be auth. Okay, the login. Okay, I'm going to move it to auth, the login. You should move the login and register. Okay, or is this going to be register or sign up? For now, let's just call it register. Okay, the login, and I'm going to move it to a route group called auth. Okay, as you can see, this is a route group. This enables, okay, us to look at this group and provide a common layout for all of these guys. .tsx, and provide a common layout for all of these guys. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you as well is to create the layout. Okay, here we got the layout as is. Where is it? Where is the Next.js layout? This layout, not this one, sorry, this one. Okay, we got this layout as is. Okay, we have not created our own layout. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to create this layout, to create our own layout. Okay, now what I want to do, let's see, let me go to the layout. Okay, this is the layout, and what I want to do, let me do this RFCE. Okay, as you can see, here is the layout. As a good programming practice, let's just use capital letters. Okay, layout. As you can see, this is a normal component. Okay, I'm going to teach you a little bit about TypeScript here as well. Okay, so we are going to receive children. Okay, let's receive children here. Okay, let's receive children, and we need to type these children. Okay, we're typing these children as children, and what these children are, they are React. This is a type dot React node. Okay, sorry about that. Dot React node. Don't we have that here? As you can see, nicely typed. Okay, let's save and see what will happen. As you can see, guys, nothing happens yet. Okay, nothing happens yet. Okay, we have shifted. Let's go to login. Let's go to login. Okay, I think if we want to go to login, let's go to the store first. Make sure that we are not logged in so that we can go to logout, so that we can go to the login screen. Suppose when we refresh here, this will take us to login. Okay, let's see. Okay, obviously because of we have made some shift, we don't really see login. This is not a problem, don't mind much about this. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm inside a layout of auth as a route group where login resides. Okay, I'm in here. Okay, the reason why this is not showing simply because in Next.js, once you have a layout, you are capturing all these children here. But at the moment, I didn't display them. I didn't render them. That's why there is nothing, because I have just received the children. And I'm not sure, those people who are some sort of jealous. I'm not sure if it's jealous or greed. Okay. Those people who just in their nature, they don't share. Okay. Let's say here, I'm that type of people. Okay. I have received these children, but I don't want to share these children with this element. Okay. So that's why there's nothing here. Okay. Let me show you if I can render these children. Okay, these children, and then login is supposed to be here. Okay, I hope now you are starting to get the essence of a layout or the layout concept. Okay, we are creating our own, okay, using TypeScript as well. So this layout, everything that goes in here, okay, the other thing that I need to tell you is that based on the dashboard, okay, we need to type here /dashboard, but here on auth we don't put / in bracket auth here. The route groups in Next.js, they don't really need to be on the path. Okay, Next.js knows that once you get to login is here, and it will use this layout. So this is more like invisible. It's for just grouping your routes. Okay, just like what we have done here, we want the layout to only affect these two guys. Let's see, can we have a layout that will only affect these two guys? Let's have a p tag here. Only these two guys. Okay. This is supposed to be here. As you can see, guys, it's here because it's part of this layout. Why we still have this one? This one is still on the global layout. Okay. It's still here. Soon we are going to move it here, okay, to more closer here to replace this. Okay, now let's go to register and see, are we still going to have this only these two guys, which is, suppose we do. Okay, register. As you can see, register in white, only these two guys, so meaning that our route group works very well, and also the layout works very well. I'm happy with this. Cool. What do we want to do now? We want this layout, this one, okay, the one with the robot and whatever, we want it to belong to these guys. Okay, which is we want it to be this one. Okay, so the other thing here, with our TypeScript, we have, let me go to this layout. Okay, we have received children. Okay, but these children, as we are receiving them, we don't want to change them. We want to display them as they are. Okay, with TypeScript, we can do that. We can insist that you are not supposed to change these children. Okay, That's the power of TypeScript, because another developer might come and they might want to loop through these children and change them. Okay, so with TypeScript we can insist that do not change these children. How are we going to do that? The children, okay, these children, they are going to have, let's see, they are going to have a read only TypeScript type. I think it's this one. Okay, and then it's a generic type, which means it wants to know what type of a read only is that. Okay, as you can see though, so these children, it's a read only of React Node. Okay, so this means that we want to receive these children, but we don't want you, this module, you must do nothing with them. You are not supposed to change them. Okay, you are not supposed to manipulate these children. Okay, and that's about it in terms of TypeScript. Let me go and what is this now? I don't think I need this. I think I got here by mistake. Let me not save anything. Okay, or this page.txt, not save anything. I don't want to save anything. Okay, so let's continue. So as you can see, guys, okay, we are done with this layout and its TypeScript. This is not what we want. What we want from here, we want this layout. Let's see how are we going to get it. I think when we are creating this layout, I said this is what we will do to get this layout. We will copy this folder, sorry, this div. Okay, this div. Okay, remember this div has got some children that it's rendering inside it. We are going to copy it here. Since we are not rendering the children, look at here. If we are greedy on the global layout scale or app scale, we are not rendering anything. Check what will happen on the code. Okay, as you can see, it's blank because the global layout doesn't render the children. Okay, now let's render the children. On login, as you can see now, we don't have any layout. Okay, we only have these guys. So instead of only these guys, we are going to put the layout that we had here. So let's go back to this layout. We are going to delete this. Okay, and we are going to paste that one. Okay, do we need any import? I think so. Let's click here, link from next link. Okay, what else? This is the icon, the home icon from React icon. I think that's all. Okay, let's save and see. Back to where we were. Now this layout only governs the auth. Okay, check here. Okay, we are on login. Okay, let's check register. Register is supposed to be governed by the same layout. Register is governed by the same layout, but dashboard, okay, but dashboard, okay, is not governed by the same layout. As you can see, first it shows the dashboard a little bit, but the dashboard is aware now that we are not logged in. Okay, now let's go and act as if we have logged in. Okay, let's come here and act as if we have logged in. Where is our store? Act as if we have logged in, and then let's click save, and then let's just go home. As you can see, now we are navigating to the dashboard. The dashboard doesn't have any layout, okay? Simply because it's more like in the global application and the global layout has got nothing, okay? So as you can see now, this auth group governs only these guys, okay, which is exactly what we want, and we are happy with this. The dashboard needs to have its own layout. Okay, that's a story for another day. We will see what we can do with that. Okay, as you can see, I think in this video I was not going to do a lot of things. Okay, let's just go back and see. Okay, this video was specifically for the route groups. Okay, since we are logged in, we get into the dashboard. Don't forget, guys, if you might want to contact me, okay, you might come here on this website and then click here for a discovery call. Don't forget to check our Udemy course. Okay, this is our Udemy course. You can check here. Okay, and then from then, if you might want to learn coding, please design, please come and check here, and I will teach you how to design awesome UIs. And also, if you might want the source code and the Figma files, please check our Substack email list, and then you will get an email automatically with a list of all our source code and Figma files. Okay, so guys, I think that's about it. Okay, so let's just go to the code and test. What are we testing? We want to test as if we are logged out, or it's a state. Okay, let's test as if we are logged out. Let's see what will happen to this guy. Okay, as you can see, this guy jumps um to log in. Okay, I think that's about it in this tutorial. If you like content like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you might want to ask me something, you can shoot in the comment below in the description. Shoot in the comment below and let me know what you think. I will answer that. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.